guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup haul video. I recently went shopping and picked some makeup products, so I thought why not share with you girls in case you liked any, so you could pick it up and have it in your makeup collection as well. So let's get started. I have some high-end products to some drugstore affordable products. So we'll start with the drugstore products first. I picked this really pretty lipstick by Maybelline. It's known as Maybelline Color Drama, and it's in the shade Keep It Classy. It's the one which I'm wearing today on my lips, and it's a very pretty color. It's a very pretty pink. It's a pink with a little mauve undertone, but it's a really pretty color. I just love the way it looks. The texture is very creamy. It's not a matte lipstick, but it's not a glossy lipstick either, so it's somewhere in between, and that's the reason why I love it. It's very smooth, it's very creamy, and it's a perfect pink for any Indian skin tone. If you're fair, dark or light, this color will suit you girls very well. The next one that I have for you is this mascara that I picked up from Maybelline as well. This is a new launch and it's called Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama. It's really black, and I like the wand. This is how the wand looks. It has really fine bristles, so it actually covers each lash really well, and it's a good everyday mascara. So if you are looking for something which gives you length as well as volume, then this is a really good buy. The next thing that I have is another one from Maybelline. This is their Colossal Kajal, but it's the new one, which is 12-hour extra black. It's supposed to be more darker than the previous it's supposed to be more darker than the previous Colossal Kajal. So let's give it a try. I haven't tried this one yet, but wow, that is black. It's really dark. My camera is not picking it up that much, but I can see how dark it is. It's very pigmented and very creamy. So this is going to be a great kajal. We girls can never get enough of kajal. I think the more you have, it's better, but this one is a really good buy. Then I picked these two pencils. These are eyeshadow pencils by NYX. They're known as the NYX Jumbo pencils, and I have two shades with me. I have 631 Sparkle Leopard, and another one is 603 Pots and Pans. So I have a nice copper color with me, and this is how it looks. Sorry, I'm so bad at making swatches, but yeah, because of the shine, my camera is not really able to pick up, but it's very pretty. I like to use these pencils as base, like an eyeshadow base mainly. I don't use it just alone, I use it as a base. So this copper pencil will look really nice with any copper eyeshadow or a bronze eyeshadow or gold eyeshadow. You could use this as a base and apply a eyeshadow over this, so in this way your eyeshadow is going to stand out even more better. The next shade that I have is a really nice gray. It's almost a gray silver, but it's a very pretty color. Again, if you like gray smoky eyes or a silver smoky eyes, use this as a base and your shadow is going to stand out even more. Next up, I picked some products from MAC. I love MAC and I can never get enough of it. So I picked this lip pencil by MAC, and it's known as Whirl. 1 minute, where is it? Sorry. Yeah, but yeah, it's called Whirl by MAC, and it's a beautiful brown pinkish nudish color. So I'm going to swatch it for you out here to see. So if you like nudes like me, I'm a big fan of different sort of nudes, then this one is very pretty. This color is perfect for all Indian skin tones. I know when you're on the darker side, it's very difficult to find a perfect nude for you. So this color this lip liner will go really well. You could use it just as a lip liner, or you could use it with a lipstick as well. But I love the next combination. This lipstick which is known as Twig. It's a satin finish by MAC. Sorry, did it focus? It's Twig by MAC, and this is how it looks. It's again a very pretty pink. It's not too dark and it's not too light, and this lipstick, along with the mm, along with the Whirl lip liner, they go really really well. That's the swatch of the lipstick. It's a very pretty pink, and it's great for Indian skin tone, or if you are olive to tan skin tone, this lipstick is gonna go really well. The last product that I have is another product from MAC, and I have been wanting this for a really long time, but trust me, this wasn't available for like, I think, almost 2 months. I picked the Paint Pot in Soft Ochre by MAC, and this is an amazing eye primer. I like to use this as a base for my eyes before I use any eye makeup. What this does, it cancels out all your darkness, all your redness, and gives your eyes an very even canvas, so all your shadows are going to stand out even better once you use an eye primer. So this is I like this shade Soft Ochre, but you have a different, I mean, MAC gives you a different variety. So I think Soft Ochre and Painterly, there's another shade called Painterly which is really nice. So these were basically all the products that I picked on my shopping for makeup. I love to do I love shopping for makeup. I like trying out new stuff. I love trying out new brands. So do let me know in the comment box which one was your favorite, and please don't forget to subscribe to the Pink Apple. The subscribe button is here below, and until then, stay tuned for more. Bye.